what the fuck, guys? Yep, busted line. I can tell because there's water everywhere unless it's from the cap. Nah, bro, this shit is all wet. Look, this whole side is wet. My intake's wet. The distributor is wet. Look, bro. Maybe look, my fan is full of water, so I'm thinking it might have been from the cap. I'm hoping it was from the cap. I guess I'm just gonna have to get some antifreeze right now. Pay for the convenience fee of having to buy it here when there's a Walmart down the street. Get that, probably get a quart of oil. I'm pretty sure this shit's probably low on oil, even though I checked and it was fine. So I think this might just be the start of a case swap. Maybe. Nah, I don't want to say that. But this weekend, there's a 40% off your pick your parts, so we're gonna try and see if we can get something there. This shit is fucked, but all right, let's go see what we can get. What I think it might be is, look, this is wet. There's no reason why my fuel filter should be wet. The bottom of the tranny where the linkages are, that's wet. And just trying to see, that's fine. It's wet over here. So what I'm thinking is that this cap opened up and then sprayed it like in this direction, because like you can see only the front part of the air filter hose is wet, and then the bottom of it is wet. All this general direction is wet, not wet over there. It's only wet here. So yeah, hopefully right now I put some water in the reservoir, so hopefully right now it cycles in with the other hot water and helps out with everything. Let's see if I can get it. I don't think you can, but there's a hose under this hose, under that hose, there's another hose, and there's a huge hole. When I turn on the car right now, it started spraying fluid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and take out, I'm probably gonna have to take out this hose, get under it, take off that other hose, and cut it, and then re-put it back with the clamps and see if that helps and shit. But oh fuck, at least we can fix it, right? At least we can fucking fix it. Guys, so far what I was able to do is I took off this hose like I said, and I was able to get under there and take off the hose that was ripped. I also took out the battery just because I needed to, but like here's this fucking huge ass hole on it and it was just spewing fluid right now. This shit was a bitch because this is a screw, not like an actual clamp, so I had to go spend $6 on a screwdriver because I forgot mine. I got some fucking battle scars as well as I was pulling this shit. Oh well, but what my plan is to quick fix off the side of the road. This goes straight to the thermostat right there. It's hard to point, but right there where all the junctions are. So what I'm thinking of doing is cutting it. Oh, it's like burnt. Oh, this is like it burnt open. Oh shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right here and then just move the clamp over. All right, so now I got the clamp over this one, and I'm just gonna do it the same distance that the other one was. I already fucking lost that piece of shit. Oh, there it is. So not that much difference, because what it is attaching is right, that little hose, not the big one, the one right under right there. So that's what we have to get to right now. So I'm gonna push it in, and let's see if this is our fix. Oh, motherfucker's hot.
A few inches later.
Alright, and like that, we're good. Getting all the bubbles out, but running good now. Alright. Just like that, baby. Just like that. I'm gonna top this bitch off real quick. Fucking cap back on. Alright, so now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten up my posts and get the fuck out of here. All right. Cool. So we don't seem to be leaking anymore, and we fixed what we had to do in an hour. Pretty good, with minimal tools, with fucking scissors, wire cutters, and a screwdriver that I bought. We were able to get this shit done though, so I'm proud and happy as hell. But besides that, all I have to do is make it home, and shit, dude, hopefully I can get another hose, because it was kind of cutting it tight. So I just don't want it to pop out again, but I think it worked. I think it all worked. We'll see if this thing overheats right now, but yo, let's get home, cause yeah, I want to go see my baby girl, my bed. But we'll catch you later, alright guys? Stay boosted.